Hello, second graders. Good to see you again. If you will, make sure that you have page 61, which is lesson 31. Okay? You see the special sounds at the top of the page, n and not, and n and nat. Let's say these together. Ready? N and not, K-N, n, n, n. N and nat, G-N, n, n, n. Look at number 1. Circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Remember, we're focusing on the n and not and the n and nat. Do that very quickly. You should have 6 of those special sounds circled when you're finished. Mark the vowels. You may pause the video if you need to. Okay? If you're back with me, I hope you have all those right. Number 2. Choose the best word to finish each sentence. Look over there at the green box. Let's read those words. Green box. Knit, sign, knee, gnaw. All right, moving back over across the page, put your finger there on the sentence. Jan fell down and hurt her blank. Her knit, her sign, her knee, or her gnaw. Yes, I hope you chose knee. Write knee in the blank. The next sentence. My mom will blank me some mittens. Knit, sign, or gnaw. Knit. I hope you chose knit and wrote it in the blank. Mom will knit me some mittens. The next sentence. The dog will blank the bone. Sign the bone or gnaw the bone. I hope you chose gnaw. The dog will gnaw the bone. And the last one, I saw a blank for the railroad. And your only choice left is sign. I saw a sign for the railroad. Okay, so starting back at the top of those sentences there, you should have knee in the first blank, knit in the second, gnaw in the third, sign in the fourth. Pause the video and make sure you have those correct. Okay, let's look at the tiger paw, the bear paw there in the blue box. Put your finger there. A long word may be divided between a root word and a suffix if the suffix has a vowel sound. Look at the red word, plant-ing. We can divide that word between the root word plant and the suffix ing. Very simple. You've been doing this since first grade. Look at number 3. Underline the root words and circle the suffixes. Draw a line to divide the words between the root word and the suffix. Okay, looking at the first word, clucking. Where are you going to divide the word? You will draw your line between the K and the I. Underline the root word, cluck. Circle the suffix ing. Now do the rest of those 3 words on your own. Make sure you get them correct. When Miss McClaney checks this page, I want there to be correct answers. Okay? If you're not finished, pause the video until you finish. If you're back with me now, look at the dictation puppy. I'm going to say the words and you are to write the beginning blend. That's the special sound and the vowel that you hear at the beginning of the word. Okay? The first word is slapped. Slapped. What is the blend? Mark your vowel. Your answer should be SLA. S-L-A with the smile. Okay? Your next one is smiled. Smiled. Your answer should be SMI. S-M-I with a stick. SMI. Okay, your next word is squeals. 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 That's going to be kind of a tough one. Squee. Squa and squeak. S-Q-U and E with the stick. Squee. Squeal. And your last one, splendid. 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 S-P-L-E with a smile. Okay, the next box in the dictation is I'm going to say the word, and you're going to write the root word in the first blank, and then the root word and the suffix in the second blank. Okay? So, the root word is talk. Talk. And then the next word is talking. Talking. Write both of those words on your paper. Okay, here's your answer. Talk. Talking. All right, you have all that done. Flip your page over to the back. Look at number 1. Read the sentences. Draw a line between the two parts of the sentence. Draw one line under the subject part of the sentence. We've been doing this for a while. Listen carefully. Put your finger on the first sentence. I like to sing. Where are we going to draw our line? After the I. Draw your line after the I. So what part of the sentence are we going to underline? Which part is the subject? Right, I like to sing. We're going to draw our line here to divide between the subject and the verb part. We're going to underline our subject one time. I like to sing. Who or what is the sentence talking about? I. Okay, look at the next one. Rosa and I learned a new song in Sunday school. What is the subject? Where are we going to draw our line? I hope you drew it after the word I. Rosa and I stick. Now we're going to underline Rosa and I because that is who the sentence is talking about. Do the next two sentences on your own. Pause the video. Okay? If you're back with me now, look at number 2. Write a subject to finish each sentence. You can put any person or anything in the blank that makes sense to you. Blank, look at the first one. Blank made a big chocolate cake. You could put mom. You could put I. You could put she. All right, so fill in all of these with a person or a thing. Because I see the last one down there is lived in a pond. So I don't think that would be a person. That would be a thing, right? Like a fish or a toad. Pause the video. Do all 4 of these. Do them correctly. Okay, if you're back with me now, look at number 3. Follow the clues. Choose the best special sound to finish each word. Okay, so look at the green box at the special sounds. I and night, all and ball, alk and walk, oi and coin, oi and boy. Time for bed. We follow our little footprints in blank T. What are we going to put in there to make a word? IGH, night. Time for bed, night. Right, look at the next one. Rides a horse. Follow the footprints. Cow, blank. What are we going to put in there? Cowboy, OY. And the next one, use an umbrella. Rainfall. Rainfall. ALL. Write with me. Ch, blank. What do you write with? Ch, alk. ALK, chalk. All right? You should be completely finished with both sides of this lesson.